Welcome back to the shop. Today it's a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be rebuilding my Deebot 622. This machine I've had for over a year and a half now. It swept the house multiple times, sometimes a day. I would say it probably has around 600 or 700 uses on it. The battery pack is running down. The consumables are getting a little grungy, although the main brush is not that bad. I've taken the liberty of actually cleaning out the container, the dust container here, and it has this removable washable filter, and the kit actually includes one of these as well. And I've actually washed this, but the thing that is not washable is these filters, and this thing is disgusting, and so is the other filter. So the kit that I ordered, I think this was a little over $10, something like that, comes with a bunch of these filters. There's seems to be 5 of them. No, I'm sorry, 6 of these filters, as well as the foam pre-filter for it. And it's a simple drop-in replacement. It was meant for these machines. It seems like there's a lot of companies out there, different brands, that use basically around the same container, and this is good to go. The actual main filter, there's a couple of clips here. It comes out, you clean out the gunk this way and here as well, and this is the main filter. The kit does come with another main brush, I should say, not a filter, but this one is actually pretty good. It's still in usable shape, so I'm going to use it. Being a cheapskate, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to keep the spare one for another time when this thing gets completely worn out. This clips back on. These side brushes are completely grungy, and these are going directly in the trash. And the kit comes in with 2 or 6 of these as well. It also comes with a washable filter in case you need it. I am, as I said, I washed mine, so these just clip on like so. One of the things that I did notice is these types of vacuum cleaners, the main wheel in front, and I've done this in the past a couple of times, a lot of times gunk gets stuck in the axle like this one does. You just literally pull it out. The wheel rides in the axle. It should be smooth. The actual device here, the ball here, is really, it's not motorized. The motors are on the sides as well as the brushes. This is a third point of contact. So that takes care of this part. One of the things that this vacuum cleaner suffers from is lower and lower runtime. It's gotten to the point where now it only runs for about 25 minutes, and I think the battery is just about had it. A lot of people wait until the battery doesn't really function anymore, but the battery, I think this was like $16, $17. I think it's slightly higher capacity than the stock one, and it should be a plug and play on this. One of the things that I've done is I've turned off the main power here. I'm not sure if this is going to reset the Deebot. I'll follow up later on in the video if it does reset it or not. So two screws, panel comes off, and this is the factory battery. These are, it looks like a pack of 18650s. So pull it out. If things went smoothly, I should be able to just plug this one in. Okay, like so. Very easy. Okay, it is booting. Let's turn it off. And before I use it, I'm going to let this thing charge for however many hours it needs to charge. The new pack is rated for 2800 milliamp hours. The old pack is rated for 2500 milliamp hours. So the new pack's a 40 watt hour pack. The old pack is a 36.3 watt hour pack. So theoretically I should get longer runtime than the factory battery ever did. We'll see. It may be marginally so, or not enough to really matter. You probably want to pull out any sort of weirdness that's worked its way into these machines. So the machine is now clean. I'm going to put it in its parking position, and I'll be back. Well, it's running very good. Links to the items in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.